Ka BJP State Unit haringkat buat MDC ka Girls Autonomous District Council GHADC Usofiur Rahman minta ka singi ka arp sautrik jiliau ka lapan syai lor ka jingmi ka kubor ba kentho MDC ki patba garoling ba ka Facebook haringkat bala dawa bantung da ka kanon to ket banlap igi jing sha namar kal ong ka te ka kam ka dei ka bale ta ki riu shim kabu ki bala shna da ka fake account pan chupentep ka fake account ka badan ha ka kerteng jong Rahman la tho pat kam ba ka girls kam dei jong ki pat Garo hendai kadai ka jakasa cuki pat Hindu bat ki Muslim. Uraman bala syajit kum MDC ke election ka bala long house nam arja khatsan hakaba ulai khon kum kurtang shimet na bala chanda constituency West Gar Hills bat ubadang shida penyeso bat ka BJP house nam arja khan rio din bola eno pat yaka NPP ula pensyai bakate ka kam dei ka bala le da mau de la penmi kene ka jingkan tho link ba ka Facebook bat ka dei ka bala le da ki rio shim kabu da ka ba penung kam ya ka kerteng jong u nakaliang ka BJP lingbau secretary ba basai lang khongwer laithu bakila dab pan ujore ka ne ho DGP ka Meghalaya pan Dawa bandon da Jingtohkit khnang ban yo ban kem yeki brio ki badon kti pan pintho briai ka kerteng jong MDC pat kumjuru yaka sang BJP riparok ko we.
We as a party we are taking very serious note about this. We have in the past motivated malicious and absolute false posts on social media which are deliberately being put by some vested interests opposed to the BJP as an agenda of Sabka Saath or Sabka Vikas to defame the party. We have a serious example to complain to the police of what has happened to our MDC Soifur Rahman, who is also the state minority MDC president. A fake account has been created by his name. A communally sensitive post has been put in form. Fake account created a controversy and to disturb communal harmony. He has already launched a complaint. It is a case of impersonation, a case of stolen identity with common intention. We are demanding that an investigation to this should be done under the IT Act as well as IPC. We are demanding investigation and action from the police, and the guilty should be caught at the earliest. BJP as a party is separately filing a complaint with the DG police and at the Sada police station. We will be meeting the DG to demand investigation of all these groups which are working to defame the party.